Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Old Paper MCQ Series Part Number 9. The Orange River flows in South Africa, Indonesia, Egypt. The correct South Africa. The Orange River flows in South Africa. Which country has longest coastline? New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, Canada. Correct answer, Canada. Canada has longest coastline. तहरीके आज़ादी के हवाले से शायरी किसने की सरवर? जोश मजाज. Answer, Josh. 17th parallel line lies between two countries, North Vietnam and South Vietnam, Saudi Arabia and Egypt, Canada and America. The North Vietnam and South Vietnam. 17th parallel line lies between two countries, North Vietnam and South Vietnam. The headquarters of Interpol is located in America, Law in France, Canada. Correct answer, Law in France. The headquarters of Interpol is located in Law in France. Rome is the capital city of Italy and is located on the river of Danube, Rhino, Tiber. Tiber river is located on the Rome. The Kalahari is famous desert is located in which country? America, South Africa, Australia. South Africa. The Kalahari desert is located in South Africa. सादा हसन मिंटो के अफसाने तमाशा का पस मंजर कौन सा वाक़या है? 1947 के फसादात, जलियांवाला बाग का सानिया या फिर 1945 और 46 के इंतखाबात? सर है जलियांवाला बाग का सानिया सादत हसन मंटो के अफसाने तमाशे का पस मंजर है. The name of third kalma is Tamjeed. Which of the following are official language of SCO? Or and Chinese are the official language of SCO. How many countries are in SCO? Countries. Member nations of SCO are 8 countries. Third May is observed internationally as Press Freedom Day. वो बयानिया सनफ़े सखन जिसमें लिखने वाला चश्मदीद मुशाहिदात को क़ारीन के सामने लाता है क्या कहलाता है? सफ़रनामा. सफ़रनामा वो सनफ़े सखन है जिसमें लिखने वाला अपने चश्मदीद और मुशाहिदात को क़ारीन और पढ़ने वालों के सामने बयान करता है. The Islamic calendar started in the year of 22 AD. The mirror used in automobile are side mirror of vehicles or mirror. Convex mirror as used side mirror of vehicles. Ornithology is the study of birds. The old name of Oslo is The old name of Oslo, Norway is Christiania. Density of milk is 0.34 gram per cubic centimeter. The first biography on the life of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is written by Ishaq. मारूफ किस मारूफ मसनवी का किरदार है? बयान. सहरुल बयान मीर गुलाम हसन देलवी की लिखी हुई इस मसनवी है जिसमें मशहूर किरदार मारूफ को बयान किया गया. When Mustafa Kemal abolished the Khilafat 1924, Mustafa Kemal abolished the Khilafat. उर्दू का पहला अवामी शायर किसे कहा जाता है? नज़ीर अकबर आबादी. नज़ीर अकबर आबादी को उर्दू का पहला अवामी शायर कहा जाता है. What does CPEC stand for? China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. CPEC means China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Swat Valley becomes a part of Pakistan in 1969. Swat Valley becomes part of Pakistan in 1969. Al-Fazl Kabir is written by Illa Dehlvi. Thanks a lot for watching my video.